It's Sushi-Chan! Today, I will check if you remember how to use the possessive form. This is a homework checking video for Lesson 8. If you have not taken Lesson 8, please watch the lesson video. Are you ready? Let's start! I will say several English sentences. Please change them from English to Japanese. Number 1. This is my pen. The answer is これは私のペンです。My means 私の。Number 2. Ben's dog is cute. The answer is ベンの犬はかわいいです。Ben's dog means ベンの犬。Number 3. This watch is hers. The answer is この時計は彼女のです。Hers means 彼女の。Perfect! Great job! Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.